Alright, it is January 12th. Oh, they have Kinder Eggs. We're here at Target. Needed to get some baby food for my cat. I know my cat eats baby food. They're cleaning. Showing you the Valentines. As you can see, they're still in the middle of stocking, but I don't plan on coming back this month, so you'll just have to see what they got so far. Oh, no, that's shoot. You are the, or shoot, I'm sorry, that's cute. You are the avocado on my toast. That is very soft, looking sharp. Oh my God, some of these are adorable. You're my main squeeze. What's this one? You're my swan and only. Those are adorable. Alright, so this is, I'm not going down that aisle because as you can see, they're in the middle of stocking. Okay, I'm going down there. She left. Just normal bagged candy. I wanted to look at I love looking at the cooking themed stuff. See if there's anything new. Oh, silicone spatula, only $1. I want one of those. Oops, darn it. It was, okay, let me put that back. And then what was this one? A dog. Yes, I want that one. Oh, I'm gonna talk and say stupid stuff to try to avoid the copyrighted music. Alright, no baking stuff that I can't resist. Alright, they're really going with this whole avocado and toast thing. That's cute. It's felt. Huh. I don't need any knick-knack stuff. I'm trying to resist knick-knack, but look at this. It's the avocado on my toast. Isn't that? They had some cute stuffed animals. Yes. Anyway, I'm really going with the avocado stuff this year. A little bit of Easter. This is my absolute favorite. Right there, Cadbury eggs. We are here like at 9 a.m. trying to avoid crowds. It seems to be working. Ooh, they have cotton candy Peeps this year. Strawberry covered Peeps this year. Oh, must resist the urge. Those are good. All right, a little beauty bath end cap that needs to be stocked. Plush. All right, let's go. Here are the paper plates. Valentine boxes. For any of you that have kids, do they still do Valentines at schools like they did when we were kids? You know, where we'd make our own little bag and you had to give every single kid in your class a Valentine. I miss those days. That was fun. Wow, they don't have many Valentines. They do have Pokemon with stickers. I think I'm gonna have to buy Pokemon this year. I decided on the Pokemon since Walmart didn't have any good ones. Yeah, we went to Walmart. I didn't do a video, but they had tons of cards out, but they weren't as, weren't anything special. All right, here, come look at this, Robert. Looking sharp. Look, aren't those adorable? Anyway, you're my swan and only. Get it? One and only. Okay, I like corny stuff like that. Tremendous. Sour Patches. Okay, resist the urge. Robert got me tons of chocolate for Christmas, so I'm trying not to buy chocolate because I have plenty. All right. And here's the card aisle. What is this stuff? Oh, like the food snack Valentines. I like those popcorn balls. They're good. All right, stickers. Do I need any? Oh yeah, there's some good ones. I need those. Look at that. Need those. Some cards. Some plush not a good selection. But like I said, it's January 12th. There's still, as you can see, there's people unpacking everywhere. What is this? Baby born? I don't know. I think that's some toy I know nothing about. Play-Doh, good classic. Star Wars, someone stole Baby Yoda, or is this just a display box? It's a display box. Popcorn bucket. Oh man. I do love the Little Whitman Snoopies. They actually have been having these every year for a while now. I always end up getting a couple for Robert. Alright. Well, I didn't see this side. Bunch of M&M stuff. More cards. And now the big boxes of chocolates. Let's see. Just the typical ones. Not seeing anything too different. Some little wine. Did someone lose their purse, or is this just like a random weird looking purse stuck right there? Yep, someone just threw something there. I love people who can't put their own crap back. All right, I don't think there's anything over here, but we'll look. All right, so they're starting to put the oh my God, I cannot speak English. Outdoor gardening stuff, which it's only January. Technically in Missouri, you don't worry about gardening until April. But usually this is where like the school extra food stuff is. Guess they don't do that anymore. It's now gardening 2 months early. All right. Valentine Gingerbread house, or I guess that's a sugar cookie house. I guess that's the new thing. Houses for everything. Decorating cookies. Sweet little strawberry gummies. Cookies. Robert, you want to build a Valentine's house? Since when is that a thing? Dogs eating treats. Robert hates Valentine's Day. I don't know why. He secretly loves it. He's just a little grumpy this morning. What is that? Oh, it's a rose. All right, that's it on Valentine's. So yeah, still in the middle, but I don't know that they're gonna add that much stuff. And there we go.